President Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Press Speaker Sumitra Mahajan can betray Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and join RSS, a terrorist organization, but Muslims cannot do that. RSS was termed as terrorist organization by Vallabhbhai Patel and so he banned it. It is a cancer for the Indian society. It was the RSS which demolished Babri Masjid. It was the RSS behind the riots of Gujarat, Muzaffarnagar, etc. It was the RSS behind Gauraksha terrorists. So because of that, Muslims cannot betray Vallabhbhai Patel. Might be President Kovind can do that. Might be Prime Minister Modi can do that. Or Sumitra Mahajan can do that. But we cannot betray Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and welcome the terrorist organization against ISIS. The ISIS of Iraq and ISIS of India also.
Why did you defend Zakir
the Hindu ISIS of India, RSS, killing innocents in Gujarat and Muzaffarnagar.
And is running off our country.
Totally against every form of ISIS.
And these people, whether it is Afzal Guru or Zakir,
Ilyas, don't forget that. Gujarat rioters were the terrorists under Modi government who killed 20,000 Muslims. Muzaffarnagar rioters were terrorists who killed Muslims again. The rioters of
I object to this kind of statement from any panelist who says that the Prime Minister
having double standards. Gauraksha terrorists are openly roaming. Gauraksha terrorists being garlanded by union ministers.
And let me...
The first Hindu terrorist organization in the country was RSS, banned by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Look at the most Babri riot, look at the Gujarat riot, look at the Muzaffarnagar riot. All killers in these riots are terrorist RSS Shaka people. See, since last 25 years, the central and the state government of my nation have a habit of forgiving the bigger terrorists, so the smaller are coming up now. For example, the Babri Masjid demolishers were the bigger terrorists, the Gauraksha are the bigger terrorists, the people like Colonel Purohit were the bigger terrorists. So these terrorists were forsaken and forgiven. My request to the Modi government is start punishing the worst kind of terrorists, that is the Babri demolishers, the Gaurakshaks, etc. So that others take a lesson and don't resort to terrorism. I want to convey one point over here. That recently CIA declared VHP and Bajrang Dal as a terrorist organizations. Good. So it's high time to start Hindutva terrorism course in JNU.
Yes.
And all the other universities, as they are the ones
yes, agree.
But you still oppose Islamist terror. I want Sambit Patra to respond to that. Sambit Patra.
In Gujarat and
Sambit Patra.
As they are the one who involved in
riots also.
Present Modi government is very weak against terrorism. Because of that, Colonel Purohit, a terrorist, is out now. Sadhvi Pragya,
can you prove it in court? Can you prove it in court? Why don't you fight the case and prove it in court? Why don't you fight the case and prove it in court? Because